Imagine this. You picked up your phone just to check one little notification. Just one. And now, boom, 2 hours have vanished. Where did they go? No clue. Welcome to the black hole of mobile addiction. It all starts so innocently. You think, let me just reply to one message. Then, maybe a quick Instagram scroll. And the next thing you know, you're watching Cat doing park hour while eating a sandwich, and somehow it all feels completely normal. Oh no, it's happening again. Don't worry, you're not alone. In fact, Gen Z spends an average of 8 hours a day on their phones. That's the same as a full-time job, except instead of a paycheck, you get tired eyes and a never-ending to-do list. So why are we glued to our phones? Because social media apps are designed to keep us hooked. Ever notice that TikTok never asks, are you sure you want to watch more videos? No, it just says, hey, take another one you didn't ask but now absolutely have to watch. Let's break it down. Unlimited scrolling? That's called the infinite scroll trap. It keeps you swiping until your thumb cramps up. Notifications? Oh, they're sneaky. They trigger dopamine in your brain, making you feel like checking your phone is a life or death situation. Wait, our WE the product here. All right, let's get real. No one's saying, throw your phone away and go live in the jungle. But maybe, just maybe, we can control our phones instead of letting them control us. Try a simple challenge, the no phone first hour rule. When you wake up, spend the first hour of your day without your phone. Sounds impossible? Maybe, but give it a shot. Imagine starting your day with your own thoughts instead of some random influencer's breakfast routine. Or try the scroll and stop trick. Before scrolling, set a timer. When the alarm rings, stop no matter what. Even if the video is halfway through, even if it's a dog skateboarding. The truth is, your time is valuable. Every minute you waste doom scrolling is a minute you could spend learning something new, meeting real people, or, shocking, I know, actually sleeping. So next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, am I using it, or is it using me? Because if your screen time report is scarier than your exam results, maybe it's time to change something. Ever notice? Whenever we're bored, the first thing we do is pick up our phones. But have you ever just sat with your boredom, just for a moment, with no distractions? Some of the most creative ideas come when our minds are free. Scientists say that our brains are wired to turn boredom into creativity. But if we keep stuffing them with endless content, when will new ideas even show up? Try this. Spend just 10 minutes a day without your phone. See where your mind goes. Maybe you'll remember an old memory. Maybe a new idea will spark. Maybe you'll actually reconnect with yourself. At the end of the day, your phone is meant to serve you, not the other way around. So let's try disconnecting, just a little, to truly connect. Wow, that's a good start.